Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete all your reposts on TikTok all at once. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to click on the bottom right section for your profile. And as you can see in the repost section we have many videos. And for us to remove them all at once, all you have to do is to go to the top right section where you can see the three dashes or dots. And then from here click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to scroll down until you see the button that says help center right here. Click on that one. Then from here, you're going to see much settings for here for your account or anything else. So go to the account section, go to see more. And then from here, going to manage account. And then from here, you're going to go chat with us. Once you click on the chat with us, then from here, you're going to simply ask them to remove all reposts fully at once. And then from here TikTok support is going to help you to remove all your reposts fully. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.